Stop scrolling for a second. If you think crypto moves because of news headlines, you're already one step behind the market. Subscribe now, because this video will completely change how you read price action from today on. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Markets don't react to news. Markets position before the news exists. When you see a headline saying Bitcoin pumps after announcement, what actually happened is much simpler. The move was already planned. The news was just the excuse. Big players don't wait for confirmation. They build positions when nobody is paying attention. When the news finally drops, retail rushes in and provides the exit liquidity. A little humor, but painfully accurate. By the time Twitter celebrates, the move is usually over. Crypto markets are forward-looking machines. They price expectations, not events. That's why price often moves in silence, then stalls when everyone finally understands why. Think about it. If news truly caused the move, price would jump instantly. No build-up, no structure, no preparation. But that's not what we see. We see slow accumulation, sideways ranges, boring price action. That boredom is intentional. Smart money loves boredom, because boredom pushes people away. And while everyone is distracted, positions are being built. Then comes the announcement. ETF rumor, regulation headline, institutional adoption story. Price explodes, retail buys late. And suddenly, the market reverses, not because the news was fake, but because the purpose of the news was already fulfilled. Halfway through, quick check. If this already makes you rethink how markets actually work, hit subscribe now. This channel is about understanding structure, not chasing candles. Another key concept is narrative timing. Narratives don't start trends. Narratives justify trends that already exist. When price goes up, the media searches for a reason. When price goes down, the media searches for blame. Price doesn't care. Price moves where liquidity is. This is why the most dangerous moment to enter a trade is right after good news. Everyone sees it. Everyone agrees. And that's exactly when risk is highest. Smart money thrives on disagreement and confusion, not on consensus. And once you understand that markets move before the news, you stop reacting and start observing. Now let's talk about how to actually use this information without overthinking everything. The goal is not to predict news. The goal is to recognize pre-positioning. When you see price consolidating tightly with declining volume, while social media is quiet, pay attention. That's often where positions are being built. Strong moves rarely start from excitement. They start from silence. Another red flag is this. When everyone is waiting for confirmation, the market is already late. If price runs hard before an announcement, that's not bullish strength. That's often distribution starting. A quick reality check with humor. If a trade feels safe because everyone agrees, it probably isn't. The best trades feel uncomfortable. They feel boring. They feel early. Mid-video reminder, naturally. If you want more breakdowns like this, focused on how the market actually behaves, subscribe now and stay ahead of the noise. Also, understand this. News does matter, but not how people think. News controls timing, not direction. Direction is decided by capital. News simply gives permission for the move to accelerate or stop. That's why sometimes bad news doesn't crash the market, and good news doesn't pump it. The market already decided. Once you accept this, you stop chasing headlines. You stop entering emotional trades. You stop being exit liquidity. Instead, you wait. You observe structure. You respect positioning. Crypto isn't random. It's brutally efficient at transferring money from impatience to patience. And the biggest edge isn't speed, it's understanding. Final thought. If this video helped you see crypto markets differently, leave a comment and share your thoughts. Subscribe for daily crypto content explained clearly, calmly, and without hype. Because in crypto, the real advantage isn't knowing the news. It's knowing when the market already knows.